So what is up, guys? Today I'm showing you how to do applications of systems of equations, and I'm gonna be doing two examples. One application example of two variable system of equations, and one application example of a three variable system of equations. So the first question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 200 inches. If the length is 4 times the width, find the dimensions of each. So first I would start off with 2L plus 2W equals 200. I got this information using the information given in the question. So 2L I got it from two sides of lengths. There's two lengths on a rectangle, and there's two widths in a rectangle, and that's how I got that. And I got 200 because that's how many inches there's in total as of the perimeter. Then I got negative L plus 4W equals 0. I got a 4W from 4 times the width, because if the length is 4 times the width, that's where I got that from. I got negative L for that, and then I got plus 4W for the 4 times the width. I got 0 because there was nothing else that was given information inside the question, and that's how I just got those two equations. You then plug them into two different arrays. The answers in one and the equation portion in another array. So you get 2, 2, negative 1, and 4. This information was what was given to us from the equations that I had written above using the information in the question. I got 2, 2, negative 1, and 4. And that's what you had gone 2L plus 2W, negative L plus 4W. And that's how I got negative 1, 4, and so on. Then I got 200, for my other array, I got 200 and 0. These were my answers I got them for both of them, so I plugged them into a certain array. You then multiply each other together, and you get length equals 80 and width equals 20 when plugged into a calculator. For the next one, we did one application example of a three variable system of equations. So, Wake Stems SGA is having a bake sale where they baked 200 brownies, cookies, and muffins. The cookies will sell for 25 cents, brownies for 75 cents, and muffins for $1.25. There were twice as many cookies as there were brownies. If they made a total of $127.50, how many cookies did they sell? So first we started doing brownies plus cookies plus muffins, which equals 200, which is B plus C plus M equals 200, as seen in under the question. We then do 0.75B plus 0.25C plus 1.25M equals 127.50. We got this information using the dollar portion inside the equation. So we got 0.75 from the 75 cents. We then got 0.25 from 25 cents and the $1.25 from the equation. We then got $127.50 from the equation, which was a total of how much money they made after selling all their products. Then we got negative 2b plus 1c plus 0m equals 0. We got this information from the part in the question where it said there were twice as many cookies as there were brownies. So I've seen in the bottom it says c equals 2b, so that's how I get the negative 2b, because that's twice as many brownies. Then you get the 1c from there's only because I mean that was given in the equation, and which helped us get the 2b. Then we got 0m, and that was because there was no information given about the muffins, but there has to be like an insert there to be a placeholder. Then I got equals 0 because there was no information given in the question about it. We then plug this into arrays in the bottom right corner. 1, 1, 1 from the B plus C plus M, they equal 1. And then you get 0.75, 0.25, 1.25 as like how much it costs for each type of product that is being sold. We then get negative 2, 1, and 0 at the bottom. And then we get another array, which is 200, 127.5, and 0, which are our answers that were given to us. Then after that, it equals, when plugged into the calculator, you get 44, 98, and 53, and that's how you get your answers. I hope this video showed you how to use application of systems of equations into these type of questions, like in real world life situations. And I hope this video helped you all a lot. And please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, comment down below in the comment place. And I will see you next time.